How are robots built? Robots are machines that can do work on their own or with a little help from humans. Have you ever seen a robot vacuum cleaner or a robot dog? These are cool examples of how robots are used in real life. But have you ever wondered how these robots are made? Let's explore step by step, in a fun and simple way. What is a robot? Definition: a robot is a machine that can follow instructions and do tasks. Some robots can move, talk, and even make decisions. Example: a robot that helps clean your floor. A robot arm that helps build cars in a factory. What do robots need to work? Before building a robot, we need to understand what parts it needs to work properly. A robot is just like us. It needs a body, a brain, sensors, and energy. Brain of the robot, the controller. Every robot needs a controller. This is like the brain of the robot. What it does: follows instructions, called a program, makes decisions based on what it senses, tells the robot what to do next. Real life example: a robot dog's brain tells it when to sit, bark, or walk. Body of the robot, structure or frame. The structure is the body of the robot. It holds all the parts together. What it does: gives shape to the robot. Holds all the important parts like motors, sensors, and wires. Real life example: the outer body of a robot dog is its structure. It has legs, a head, and a tail. Sensors of the robot, sensors. What they do: sensors give robots information. They help robots feel light, heat, sound, distance, touch, etc. Types of sensors: touch sensor, to feel pressure or bump. Light sensor, to detect light or dark. Distance sensor, to know how far things are. Sound sensor, to hear noise. Real life example: a robot vacuum uses sensors to avoid bumping into walls. Muscles of the robot, motors and actuators. What they do: help the robot move arms, wheels, or legs. They follow the brain's instructions to move. Real life example: a robotic arm moves up and down with the help of motors. Food of the robot, power source. Power sources include batteries, like the ones in toys or mobile phones. Solar panels, use sunlight for energy. Electricity, connected through wires. Real life example: a robot that works outside can use solar panels for power. Mind of the robot, programming. What it does: tells the robot when to move, stop, or change direction. It's like teaching the robot how to behave. Programming languages used: Python, C++, Scratch, a fun one for kids. Brain. Real life example: you can program a robot to dance or follow a line using code. Tools and materials to build a robot. Common materials: plastic or metal, for the body, wires. Sensors, motors, battery, controller, like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Tools and materials to build a robot. Common tools: screwdriver, soldering iron, laptop, for programming. Step by step. How are robots built? Step 1. Plan the robot. What do you want the robot to do? Will it roll, walk, or stay in one place? Step by step. How are robots built? Step 2. Build the body. Use plastic, cardboard, or metal to make the frame. Attach wheels or legs. Step by step. How are robots built? Step 3. Add motors and sensors. Fix motors to wheels or arms. Attach sensors to help it see or feel. Step by step. How are robots built? Step 4. Connect the controller. Add the brain, like Arduino or micro-bit. Connect it to motors and sensors using wires. Step by step. How are robots built? Step 5. Program the robot. Use simple code to tell the robot what to do. Example: move forward when it sees light. Step by step. How are robots built? Step 6. Test and improve. Try it out. If something doesn't work, fix it and test again. Types of robots kids can build. Example 1. line following robot. Sensors help it follow a black line on the floor. It can be programmed to turn when the line turns. Types of robots kids can build. Example 2. Dancing robot. Motors move the robot's legs and arms. A simple program makes it dance to music. Types of robots kids can build. Example 3. Cleaning robot. Like a mini vacuum, sensors help it avoid obstacles. Where are robots used? In hospitals, robot arms do surgeries. Robots bring medicine to patients. In factories, robots build cars and machines. At home, robot vacuums clean the floor. Robot toys play with kids. In space, robots like the Mars rover explore space. Conclusion. Building robots is like creating a smart friend who can help us. Robots need a brain, body, sensors, muscles, and energy to work. With a little imagination, tools, and coding, you can build your own robot too. So, the next time you see a robot, you'll know how it works and what's inside. Who knows, maybe you'll build the next amazing robot someday.